The Xiaomi 14 Ultra, set to launch in China on February 22nd, is shaping up to be a premium Android flagship with no shortage of existing features. Here's a glimpse into what this phone might offer based on leaks and official information. Reaching the curved edges of its predecessors, the 14 Ultra boasts a sleek, flat 6.73-inch OLED display with a sharp 1440 x 3200 resolution and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The display promises vibrant visuals and excellent responsiveness. The phone itself is reported to be lightweight and constructed with a combination of ceramic and metal, exuding a luxurious feel. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the latest and greatest from Qualcomm, ensures top-notch performance for gaming, multitasking and demanding applications. This is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, further enhancing speed and efficiency to keep you powered up all day. The 14 Ultra is rumored to pack a 5300 mAh battery with support for 90-watt fast wide charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The camera system is where the 14 Ultra truly shines. While specifics remains under wraps, leaks suggest a quad camera setup with a primary sensor exceeding 50 megapixels and impressive zoom capabilities. Xiaomi is known for its camera prowess, and the 14 Ultra is expected to push the boundaries of mobile photography with features like improved low light performance and advanced computational photography techniques. The phone will likely run Xiaomi's HyperOS based on Android 14, offering a clean and customizable user experience. Other anticipated features include IP68 dust or water resistant stereo speakers and an in-display fingerprint sensor. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.